How to disconnect the safety switches on a Bilt horse riding mower. Bilt riding lawn tractors generally come with two factory safety switches. One safety switch prevents the riding mower from being placed in gear while the seat is not occupied, and the other prevents the operator from putting the lawn tractor in reverse while the cutting blades are engaged. Both of these features may be disabled by the owner, however doing so may void the factory/manufacturer's warranty. Things you'll need: wire strippers, wire nut, electrical tape, pliers. Disconnect seat safety switch. Turn your Bilt mower off and take the keys out of the ignition. Lift the tractor's seat and locate the wire harness with two wires running from the underside of the seat down to the engine. Cut each wire, then strip the ends of each wire using wire strippers. Twist the two wires together, then screw a wire nut over the connected, bare ends of the wires. Wrap electrical tape around the wire nut and wires. This will maintain a continuous electrical circuit while the Bilt mower is running, so the engine won't shut off if the mower is placed in gear when the seat is empty. Disconnect reverse gear safety switch. Turn your Bilt lawn tractor off and remove the keys from the ignition. Open the hood and locate the battery. Disconnect the negative lead on the battery using pliers. Find the small wiring harness near the negative post on the battery and grasp it with both hands. Depress the tabs on the wire harness with your fingers or thumbs and unplug it. The reverse gear safety switch has now been disconnected and the Bilt will go into reverse with the blades engaged. Reconnect the negative battery lead using pliers to tighten it down, then put the hood back down. You can now use your Bilt lawn tractor as normal.